Malibu.
Number 1 Lima, roger. Thanks for your patience and contact SoCal Approach with your request on 134.2. Good day.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. A18 Lima, SoCal Approach 134.2.
Cessna 8 Delta Hotel, are you requesting flight following?
Cessna Hotel, affirmative, Simi Valley at 4,500 below.
Number 8 Delta Hotel, roger. Contact SoCal Approach with your request. Thanks for your patience. 134.2.
34.2, Delta Hotel, thank you.
For Juliet Mike, contact ground point 7, good day.
Ground point 7, good day, 0 Juliet Mike. Van Nuys Ground Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, off 16 right at Quebec, taxi southwest parking.
130 Juliet Mike, Van Nuys Ground to your position.
Parking southwest, we're off at Quebec 16 right.
Okay.
Ground 0 Juliet Mike, how do you hear?
Number 0 Juliet Mike, confirm 130 Juliet Mike.
Affirmative, 130 Juliet Mike.
130 Juliet Mike, can you please confirm your position one more time, please, for me?
At Quebec, 16 right, taxi southwest parking.
One three zero Juliet Mike, taxi to the southwest parking the Alpha.
All right, southwest parking via Alpha 0 Juliet Mike. I don't know what that's about.
He's clearly new.
There might be some training going on.
Yeah, I bet.
That's okay. All good. If that's the case.